Okay, so the first page we see the dot, and the dot lets us know that is the power or product property. Okay, that's what it's called. Okay, it's the product property, and it shows you a dot, and then you're gonna add the exponent. Okay, so when we see the dot, that lets us know to add the exponents. Okay, and essentially you're going to multiply the big numbers or the coefficients, and you're going to add up all the little numbers. Okay, so if we look at number 1, our two big numbers are 4 and 4, so you're going to say 4 times 4, 16. Okay, so we're going to get 4 times 4, and that's going to give us 16, x to the 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? 5. Oh, sorry. Here, come get one. All right, on number 3, you're going to multiply the two big ones. Okay, so 3 times 4 is going to be 12, and you're going to add up the little ones, which is going to be what? Okay, well, we learned if there's no number there, what number is it? A 1. So you can put a 1 here and a 1 here. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is going to be 2. Okay, look at 5. Where can we put a 1?
Over the R.
Over the 1 R that's missing. Okay, so 3 times 4, 12. R to the 3. Okay, so we get 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, looking at 7. Okay, some of you guys were confused about a problem that looked like this the other day. Okay, this is no different than any other problem. Okay, there's really a 1 right here by that A. Okay, so you're going to say 2 times 2, 4. And then I got 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2 is going to be 6. So you're going to have A to the 6. Okay, 3 times 2 is going to be 6. B to the 2 plus 4, 6. Or somewhere here with it. Okay, 11. 4 times 3, 12. And then I can put a 1 right there. So I get 4 plus 1 is going to be 5. Okay, 13. 3 times 3 is going to be 9 times 2. 18. Okay, and then it doesn't matter if you do the x's first or the y's first. However, y's go with y's, x's go with x's. Okay, so because this is one's first, I'm going to do the y. So I got 2 plus 4. 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, and then we're going to do all the x's. Okay, well, how many x's do I have?
1.
Well, 1, but how many does he have? He's got 3. Okay, and so there's no more x's to add with that x, so it's just going to be the same. Okay, we still had a couple more. Okay, 3 times 4 is going to be 12. I can fill in a 1 right here by this A. So it's going to be A to the what? 3. Okay, we get 2 plus 1. It's going to be 3. And then we got B to the 4. Okay, if we were to fill in 1s, how many 1s can I put on 17?
Over
How many total? Okay, you can do 2 or you can do 3, okay? Because see how this one, the coefficient is 2, the big number is 2. Is there a big number on that one? No, so it's really a 1. And then every letter has a power of 1. Okay, so we could put the 1 and the 1 there. Okay, so 1 times 2 is going to be 2 x to the 1 plus 4. And then we get y to the 1 plus 2. Okay, so those are all the product property. Okay, product means the multiplication property. Okay, so when you see the dot is when you need to multiply your big numbers and add up your little numbers. Okay. 19 and on has what instead of a dot? Parentheses. That means the power property. Okay, this is the power property. Okay, so when you see parentheses, you're then going to multiply exponents. Okay, so 19, where can we fill in a 1? We talked about this the other day. Where's a 1? On the 4. Okay, so the 4 to the 1 is still 4. Okay, but so the first one I'm going to do the slow way and the rest will do the quicker way. Okay, so the slow way goes like this. Okay, we say 4 to the, because it has a 1, we're going to say 1 times whatever's the power on the outside, so 2. And to the 3 times 2. Okay, you have to take that 2 to every little number, okay? Every exponent is going to get times that by that 2. Okay, so 4 times 2, or I mean 1 times 2, it's going to be 2. And then you're going to get 3 times 2. It's going to be 6. Okay, and then last but not least, what is 4 squared? What is 4 squared? 16. Okay, so the slower way is definitely when we write all of this out. Okay, so the faster way skips that first step. And you guys are fully capable of doing that. Okay, so if I look at 21, I can put a 1 right here on the 4 and a 1 on the K. Okay, so here's the faster way. 4 to the, what is 3 times 1? 3. K to the 3 times 1? 3. Okay, and then you have to type in on your calculator 4 to the 3rd power. Huh? 64? 64K3. Okay, 23, where can I put a 1?
Over the 2.
On the 2. Okay, so we're going to say 2. What is 4 times 1? 4. X to the 4 times 2. 8. Okay, and then last but not least, 2 to the 4th power. Huh? 16? Okay, 25, I can fill in the 1. So I got 3 to the 3 times 1. It's going to be 3. V to the 3 times 4. What is 3 times 4? 12. Okay, and then I need to type on my calculator 3 to the 3rd power. 27. Okay, 27. I can fill in the ones. Okay, so I get 2 to the 2 times 1. Give me 2. X to the 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, what is 2 squared? 4x squared. Okay, last one. I can put a 1 on the 3. Okay, so I'm going to get 3 to the 3 times 1. It's going to be 3. X to the 3 times 4. 12. Y to the 3 times 4. 12. Okay, what is 3 to the 3rd power? Huh? 27. X 12. Y 12.